see. Let's show the people. Let's show the people. Nah.
400 to 1.4.
Yes,
and now these ones are just normal trades.
So let's withdraw.
25.916.
Soft life from Sentine, Baba.
Now.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Vussy Max. You know the vibes in the building. It's kind of windy where I'm at right now, so this video is gonna be a quick one. Chilling with Bao for the. It's busy operating the grill. They were just chilling. DJ Nanas. What's up in the building? DJ Nanas in the building. Prince is in the building. My younger brother. I told you niggas what's going on. My younger brother is in the building. We open some trades. Let's see the records today.
You wanna see the alcohol? You wanna see the trades?
No, I wanna see the records. Open your MT4, MT5. Wait, let me focus.
Yeah, I know. Hey, these are accounts here, bro. From 100.
Okay, DJ Nana's in the building. Let's see what's going on.
From 100, barcode phone.
Small account strategy, $100 bucks, already 300 floating. It's easy. It's an easy day. Prince, how will it day?
I'm not going to do all the one.
He's in the house.
Oh,
Exactly.
Real account in the building. Totally 10K profit. I wanna close this one at least from 15K. It's a real account, ladies and gentlemen. These niggas are making noise, man. It's a real account. We'll talk about it later.
$600 US.
Let's see that.
Hey, Joe.
I opened trading records.
Hey, Joe, from 100.
$100 in the building. 12K profit. I told you nigga, 12K profit now in the building. Or they operate now. We're gonna close this one.
It's not bad.
No.
What is it? Let's see what's going on. I'm saying sell USA 30. Hey. Backward entry. Of course, you know. It still has to come down. Which one is this one now? It's too much now. I want to show you some magic. There was some NAS 100 Zakes and then I told you. Hey! This is the account. What are you saying now? What are you saying? What's this way? Let me just show you. Right out, please.
I'm so hungry, bro. I'm so fucking hungry. What's the guitar, Baba? What's the guitar? You're more.
This one, this one,
This pink one,
golden, either D or golden.
Let me that limited edition.
Limited edition.
Leaking that inch.
Oh.
Gotta get it out.
I'm not dating of the tequila. I'm more than I got to try.
Devil's juice.
This one, I don't want.
Are cheap, but are vacuum yet?
Vacuum. A 2.5. Only AC la share that. Hey, believe guys talk, huh?
We're at the parks in the building. Hey man, I wanna see the vibes or what's going on. I wanna see what's going on with the boys' scenes.
It's not my car. It's mine. Hey, that's pretty. I can't say work the truck. Ask this nigga. It's his car.
Revival sharp with you today. Today revival sharp. 26 kg.
Hey!
26 kg.
Hey, my phone is off, man.
26k history. What's the history? 17,000.
Nice.
Oh, now I want to check my phone is checking now. You want to see miracles? You want to see miracles?
It's a demo account here, Bafu. It's a demo.
Hey, man, there was a CPI or something.
You're trading with real.
Yeah, this one is a real.
It's a real account.
Yeah, and that's 100.
Hey, so, it was a CPI or what this team?
I don't know, Mfana.
Nice.
I told you, man, before.
Ah, you said sell when I put
No, bro. No,
sharp.
I told you about this level.
Ah, sharp. I don't tell the voice note on my Instagram.
I told you about
I
this
don't tell
level.
the voice note on my Instagram.
Oh, yeah, no, they don't sell.
Let's say young boy, no money.
Hey, look there, 29K. Hey, man, I was talking about this level, bro.
Wow, yeah,
Check the date. Check the date.
I told you the poison. There's a level here, boy. There's a level. I showed you, boy. Check out another thing. Yeah, I'm on the phone. Yeah, I'm on the thing.
I got a phone. It's not land. I'm on the iPhone.
It's not land.
Yeah, you hit it. Is it on?
Not yet. Let's focus.
Let's hope for buy. More buy.
Mafoza.
Yes.
Come through, Mafoza.
Hey, man, let me charge with you.
Come on. Let me see.
Yeah, come with the cable.
1K.
Let's see. Let's show the people. Let's show the people. Nice.
400 to 1.4. And now these ones are just normal trades. Let's see. It was just normal trades, bro.
Micro account.
Just
yo, bro.
Just more. And there was a reduction here. I'm quite sure it was 2K. Here it was 2K.
Ah, nice one.
Let me
Nice one.
No, I ain't charged 25,900.
Withdraw.
25,000.
Let me check.
16.
And now we're withdrawing.
From 400. Nah. This one, I'm gonna grow this one. I'm gonna grow it.
Yeah, that.
I'm gonna just grow
I
it.
don't.
This account, I deposited 137. Profit of 32K.
What the shit?
You see, 137K deposit, 167 withdrawal.
Yeah.
You see, the remaining balance is 2K.
My boy.
Man.
Whoa.
Already withdrawing.
Wait. Come on.
Soft life, huh? Oh, the dashboard, I can see it's 25 point.
Let's withdraw.
25.916.
Soft life from Sentin, Baba.
Now, you see, now I think I'm gonna.
Wait, don't worry.
Let me join my cable.
I take a top secret that.
I'm also saw cable, I think.
Successful, never for.
Success. Nice.
12.
Wait. 28, 32, 30, 21, 24, 20. What?
Relax.